Alright everybody, so you know we've got the Scotch bonnet pepper in there, we've got the garlic, we've got the thyme. So basically now, this cow skin needs at least a good few hours to boil to come to that softness that we're looking for, everybody. Yeah man, it does really need that good few hours to boil, everybody. So as you can see, yeah man. Look how your cow skin pretty, man. Gonna never have cow skin for 24-hour kitchen yet, people. So today is a day where we are cook some cow skin. A good vibe. Yeah man, a cow skin we are cook today, people. We shall wash out the cow skin. From the cow skin pretty, man. Cow skin. Stew peas cow skin. Stew peas cow skin, people, with some white rice. A good vibe. People, so see the cow skin, yeah? We're just gonna scald it off, so give it a pre-cook, which is just a boil, and then it's like when I wash it off again, basically with some hot water. People, yeah, a good vibe. Just stay tuned. You never see cow skin on 24-hour kitchen yet, but I go see cow skin today. I want to put food I cook differently today, you know, people. Yeah, we're cooking quite a bit of food today, but the focus, what I'm showing you right now, yeah, is the cow skin, because you never seen cow skin before on the program. So yeah man, when I cook up some cow skin, you don't know, say yeah people, guess what's happening? Thank you very much. We're at 6k subscribers, so it's a good look. Let's push to that 10k, people, yeah, and get that big celebration going, people, yeah, because the moment we hit 10k subscribers, we're having a big celebration, but we're going to do a 6k toast, people, yeah, said way, a good vibes. You can see the cow skin over there, so I boil up, so I good vibes. So basically we've added some ingredients into the water to just make the cow skin boil with some flavour. You understand what I try to say, people? You can't just boil it sitting sauce, you know. What we've added in the water so far, yeah, is the thyme and the Scotch bonnet pepper. In the next pot that you can just hear the smoke's just kicking off, because things are going. Look at that, everybody. Ooh, it's the chicken foot and peas, red peas, and boil up. So yeah man, the step of them in a pot said way. Yeah man, the step of them a step forward in a pot. Dutch pot them forward in a people. Yeah man, we lock up. Yeah man, so today's episode is a stepper pot with the blanket. Cause you don't know, say anytime you reach for a part of your skin, that part of your body will keep you warm, your skin. So I don't know, say foot, what you use foot for do, you use foot for step. So the part here now, a stepper and clothes where we know people, and we are cook stepping and you understand? A good vibe. I know this one's a very, very unusual one, everyone here. You've never seen cow skin on the channel before. I showed you the chicken foot episode just the other day, so you can retrack over on the channel and check out the chicken foot episode. But today, you understand, the version them say cow skin, Ringo, cow skin, and I say cow skin. Yeah man, them say cow skin, and I say cow skin, and them say yeah man, a cow skin, and I say alright then, shopping. So we just go do some shopping and forward back with some cow skin. The chicken foot is already on the fire doing its thing with the red peas. So later on down, we're going to do transition. When we say transition, we're going to add cow skin to chicken foot and red peas. Yeah man, and what we call the one there? Stew peas, chicken foot with cow skin. Mad! Stew peas, chicken foot and cow skin. When you never see that before, concussion, I go on right here now. Because in Africa, they have a salted meat where they fling everything in a pot. So we know Jamaican and move like the African them said we and I think everything in a one pot. But may I tell you say the one pot yeah, I don't know normal flavor and the one pot yeah. Are good vibes. Alright, so just a quick little Q&A about cow skin. Who's had cow skin before? If you could put it in the comment section, everybody, yeah? And just let me know if you've had cow skin and or if you'd ever try cow skin. Have you tried it? Would you try it? Okay. Other things that I want to throw out at you. Did you know this about cow skin? Okay. Cow skin also is a preventer of wrinkled skin. Yes, wrinkled skin. Cow skin actually prevents wrinkled skin because of the what it carries? Collagens. Yes, which prevents body wrinkles. Yeah, man. Cow skin contains collagens, which prevents, yeah, man, body wrinkles. Let's get back and have a look in the pot. Check out the cow skin. Good vibes. All right, everybody. So you know we've got the Scotch bonnet pepper in there, we've got the garlic, we've got the thyme. So basically now this cow skin needs at least a good few hours to boil to come to that softness that we're looking for, everybody. Yeah, man, it does really need that good few hours to boil, everybody. So as you can see, yeah, man, the skin tough. So a good vibes. We're boiling cow skin, people, yeah. And in our next pot here, we're actually slow boiling the red peas and the chicken foot. And then later on, we're gonna add the cow skin in here and we're gonna slowly create the stew peas, people. So today we are make stew chicken foot and cow skin. Never seen that on the program before. Stew chicken foot and cow skin, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Alright, everybody, so we reached that crucial moment now. Look where we are. So the cow skin is actually have that soft texture that we're looking for right now. So we're gonna add it in with the chicken foot and the peas. Are good vibes. Yes, everybody, welcome to the program. You ain't seen me since one day, yeah. But guess what I go on now, people? All right. So today is something completely different. What we cooking today, Sugar Pea?
Come on, the fans they're about to find out, man. Even I don't know.
All right, everybody, yeah. Today, yeah. Come and have a look at the pot. We turn down the pot really low. Yeah, man, look at that.
Whoa, yo.
Look, we've got some steppers in the pot. Steppers. And look, we've got some skin in the pot. What you thinking, what skin this is? All right, so today, yeah, we're cooking a stew peas, chicken foot with cow skin, people, yeah. Look at the Scotch bonnet pepper. Look at the scallion. Look at the thyme. It's well seasoned, people, yeah. The flavour's jumping out, real nice. So it's something different. Big up yourself. You don't know what I want. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Look what I want. Look. Make sure you got this in your cupboard, man. You can open up your cupboard and you can pull out an all-purpose seasoning and just do this quick and fast. Look. Quick little sprinkle in the pot, you know, to just enhance the flavour, just like that. That is it, people. And then what we'll do now? That's what we're using now. Yes, people. Make sure you get yourself your all-purpose seasoning mix. Big up yourself, you don't know Wagwan. It is carrying the flavors. Yeah, man. This one, yeah, I carry the flavors, people. Yeah, you don't know Wagwan. Are good vibes. Oh my days, guess what? Sugar peoples. Alright, everyone. Now is the time. Come back. Now is the time. Look at this. Wow. So we're adding the coconut milk, which is going to give the creaminess for what we're looking for today. Look at that. Good vibes. Amen, man. Good vibes. You see how the color is transformed from that dark red to now that, you know, it's more smoother. You can tell that this is a lot more smoother now, everybody. So it's a good vibe. We're just going to make the coconut milk boil out, and then the meal is almost completed, people. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. You don't know what I want, the all-purpose seasoning mix. My hand's a bit dry because I've been doing a lot of washing. Are good vibes. Everybody, so this is perfect right now. Yeah, we're washing the rice, and after the rice is washed, and when the rice cook, you don't know, so we're just there at completion, people. Yeah, are good vibes. At the same time, look at this. Yeah, man. Nice. Oh, yes, everybody. So today, we're going to be adding some of the all-purpose seasoning mix to the rice as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man, to just spice up the flavor and bring out the... To just spice up the flavor and bring out the flavor. You understand, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Add a little bit more. Woo! That is it. So you know you can't have a stew peas without some spinach dumpling, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, we are putting some spinach dumpling right now. A good vibe. Look at that. Nice, soft, plain flour. You understand? See the man. Oh my gosh, people. Let me say some steppers in at the pot, you know, people, with some skin. Yeah, man. This pot here is a chicken foot and cow skin stew peas, people, yeah? Yeah, man. Stew peas, cow foot, chicken skin. Yeah, man. Long dumpling and thing. See the people, everything I got inside. A good vibes. Big up yourself. What me say? Yeah, man, we've hit 6K subscribers. Big up each and everyone that's on the program, people, yeah? We've all done well. We're at a fantastic place right now. We need to keep pushing and jump up to 10K subscribers because we've got a big celebration coming up. Yeah, man, a good vibes, man. A good vibes. Oi, people, you don't know what I want. So look, we've come to that grand finale. It's just, look, the cow foot literally took, let me get the time. I'm not joking, let me get my phone. All right, it's 6:41 now. We sat on the cow foot here about 1 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 hours to boil this cow foot, yeah? We're now at a completion, people. So you don't know, say, if you're at home and you want to attempt to boil cow foot, especially with chicken foot and red peas, come on. You know that those 3 ingredients together, they've all got their own time capacity. Cow foot's the longest, then the red peas, then the chicken foot. But you don't know, so we've got the 3 combinations together on point, people. Come and look at the grand finale. Bring in the camera, because I want you to see in the... Ooh! Yeah, man. All right, look. That is it. Look at that. So this is the stew peas. So now I've got the camera now. So Sugar P, I just want you to do the gestures and stir the pot for me, please. Yeah, please. Yes, yeah, just do the gestures. Look at that, people. Wow. You can see the chicken foot in there, the long spinners dumpling them. Yeah, man, are good vibes. Everybody, I hope you found this episode interesting. Cow skin and chicken foot, stew peas. Yeah, man. Stew peas, people, yeah. It's an authentic dish that we do back home in Jamaica, but this one's a little bit different. Sometimes the stew peas is originally known to be done with the pig's tail. Yeah, man. You understand, people? Or you can do stew peas with chicken, or you can do stew peas with oxtail. But today we've done the stew peas, everybody, yeah, with the chicken foot and the cow skin. Then towards the end, we've added the long dumpling, and we've added some next dumpling in there as well, everybody. And we also got the thyme, the garlic, the ginger, the scallion. Yeah, man, are good vibes. Big up yourself, you don't know, sugar peas stirring away.
Come on, man, it's working, fam, man. This is not a joke, man. Like 2024, we active, 24-hour kitchen, we set.
Hey.